Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and tapping on Sound section right away. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Vibrate Vocals. Then apply the best option for your incoming calls by clicking on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, never vibrate. When you then go back, and click on this sweater next to Answer Vibration to switch on or off vibrations when call is connected. Finally, scroll all the way down and click on those two sweaters next to Charging Sounds and Vibration and that vibration to turn on or off those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!